I'm using the One Stop Gardens 3/4 inch soaker hose that I got from Harbor Freight. It comes with 3 rubbers that go in the hose. You can adjust the amount of water flow, but I just normally hook up my garden hose to it and turn it on. Let's go check it out on the peppers. Okay, we are following the garden hose, and here we are. Look at that, around the peppers. Just got it kind of snaked around my peppers. And it's a 50-foot hose, so it actually covers a pretty good area. And you could see how much water it actually puts out. It actually puts out a lot of water. So really, if you hook up your garden hose to it, and I just barely turn my garden hose on, and it puts out that much water, and you only have to turn it on for like 15 minutes or so to get enough water in your ground for your whatever you're going to run it by. I'm going to also put one by my tomatoes I got right here, and then one across or along my spaghetti squash and my zucchinis. But I really like these soaker hoses, and I got it by being a member of the Harbor Freight. These were $7 a piece for 50-foot hoses. Pretty darn good deal. And you can see right there the water coming out of those things right there, how well they work. You can actually turn the water way down or put those little valves in there and have less water going in there. But like I said, I just hook my hose up to it and turn it on and run it for about 15 minutes, and the ground is soaked around my peppers, and I've been using them the last couple years and they work great. See right there, it's soaking right up to the base of the pepper. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes and it'll be 6-8 inches out on each side of that hose. Alright, thanks for watching my review and video of the One Stop Garden Soaker Hose from Harbor Freight. Definitely a major plus. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.